It is mid-April 2021, and it is the scheduled screening of our April magical stocks. We will be having the actual buying since this is our planned third batch. For this investment, we will try to screen 5 high market capitalization stocks regardless if they are blue chips or not. In this video, we will show you the screening of our April magical stocks and the actual buying plan. Before we proceed with our screening, and if you are interested in investing using our magical stocks or simply like monitoring our system's effectiveness, please like this channel, subscribe and hit the notification button to keep you updated weekly. Here are the sorted stocks based on their market capitalization. We are showing you the top 50 high market capitalization stocks in the Philippine Stock Exchange. Here we have the code and company name, if it is a blue chip or not, the date where the capitalization was computed, and the market capitalization itself. As we can see, the top stock that has the highest market capitalization is MFC or Manulife Financial Corporation, with 1,932,263,014,605.0 pesos market capitalization. This stock is being followed by SLF or Sun Life Financial Incorporated with 1,373,215,112,010.0 pesos market capitalization. The third stock is a blue chip stock which is SM with 1,178,082,043,926.0 market capitalization. The top 50 in our list is VLL having a 47,236,588,555.0 market capitalization. Let's now check the PER of each stock. MS Excel has a feature to get the PER automatically. Here are the sorted stocks based on their PER. We can see that the lowest PER is CHIB or China Banking Corporation, followed by FDC or Phil Invest Development Corporation. We can also see that the highest PER is SEVN or Philippine 7 Corporation with 461.8. Let's now put the DTE and the dividend yield payment for the years 2020 and 2021. This worksheet will now be the data that we will screen to pick our April magical stocks. Let's now proceed with the screening. Let's see the top 25 stocks and briefly screen them. Take note that we sorted the stocks based on their PER, and we will check their DTE. We are looking at 5.5 DTE and below. We are also checking if they are dividend-paying stocks. First to pass our screening is FDC or Phil Invest Development Corporation, followed by VLL or Vista Land and Lifescapes, Incorporated. The third is MPI or Metro Pacific Investments Corporation. Fourth is FGen or First Gen Corporation. Moving with the screening, we also have AGI or Alliance Global Group, Incorporated, followed by SECB or Security Bank Corporation. Continuing with the screening, we also have TEL or PLDT Incorporated. MEG or Megaworld Corporation also passes our screening. Coming in at number 9 is SCC or Semirara Mining and Power Corporation. GLO or Globe Telecom, Incorporated passes our screening this time. AEV or Aboy Tiz Equity Ventures Incorporated still passes our screening. At number 12 is DMC or DMCI Holdings Incorporated, followed by AP or Aboy Tiz Power Corporation. Last in our list, P Gold or Pure Gold Price Club Incorporated. 14 out of 19 stocks passed our screening. We will now be choosing our 5 new magical stocks on the list. The first stock is VLL, followed by FGen, and the third stock is AGI, followed by GLO to complete the stocks as P Gold. We will add 150k pesos to our 300k investment. We will also add the dividend payment received to the 150k investment this quarter. This will now be our worksheet for our investment in the 5 April magical stocks. We will buy these 5 stocks in the coming week, from April 19th to April 23rd, 2021. We will monitor these 5 stocks weekly as our third batch of magical stocks. That will be all for this week's magical stock screening. Thank you for watching. Next week, we will update the result of the actual buying of these 5 stocks. Quote, "The fundamental law of investing is the uncertainty of the future." Unquote. Peter Bernstein. See you in the following video. Have a great day ahead.